Here's a quick introduction of how to use the Foundations application. Whenever you first log in, you'll see the home screen. On the home screen, there are several cards as set up by your administrator. These cards can either take you to a part within the application itself, or to any link on the internet as set up by your administrator. Along the top, you'll see the modules that you can access. Let's check out the reports. Here you can see a list of reports in the left-hand side menu, and they are sorted into report groups. So for example, if we looked into the AFE group, we click on it, and a little drop-down appears with any reports that are sorted into that report group. To view a report, simply click on the report name itself, and in the center of the screen, it will load. Now you can interact with the report as you would normally, clicking through and viewing any details that are on the report itself. You can also see some controls right here. The first control is setting bookmarks. Whenever you interact with the report, it can change the values that you see. So for example, I just selected that particular filter. And if I wanted to save this as a bookmark, I would click on this Add Bookmark. And then I'd give it a name, such as capitalized work order. Click Save. And now the bookmark has been added to our drop-down menu. The benefit of a bookmark is whenever you navigate to a different part of the application or change any of the values, whenever you select your bookmark, it will take you back to exactly the same place that you had set the bookmark at. You can manage your bookmarks by clicking on the Manage Bookmarks icon. In here, you'll see a list of all the bookmarks that you have for this particular report. You can rename them, or you can delete them. And whenever you're happy with any of the changes you've made on this screen, you just click the Save button. For now, we're just going to remove our newly added bookmark, capitalized work order. And now, when you view the drop-down menu, you'll see that the bookmark that we just made has been removed. There are a few other controls that you can use for a Power BI report, such as the full screen, which if you click, will make the entire report full screen. And if you click this again, it will set it back to where we can see our navigation. If you click on this home icon, this will take us back to the report home, setting it back to its initial state whenever it first loaded. You can view whenever a report was last refreshed, as well as the status of that refresh. And you can also print a particular report by clicking on the print icon. Other than that, that is the majority of all of the report's information. You can also view more information in the Learn More section, clicking on Learn More. Here, you can view this particular video, or you can also see Foundations documentation. This particular page will have links that will take us to the documentation module. So clicking on these or clicking on this icon will open up a new tab. And here you'll be able to view the Foundations documentation module. On the left-hand side, you can see pages that will give us more information about particular items, as well as some frequently asked questions on the front page. There are also tutorial videos in the video section. You can also view the developer release notes by clicking right here. To get back to Foundations from the Docs module, simply click on this icon right here. The last piece of functionality to review is the Logout button. Right here, simply just click Log Out, and this will take you out of the Foundations application back to the login screen.